Hello friends, welcome to our Dr. Vet channel. I'm Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head Veterinary Medicine. Here we will see important disease of a dog, canine parvovirus infection, part 2. In this presentation we will see only clinical findings. Very important part. It is an important viral disease of the dog. Clinical signs of canine distemper. The dog shows the signs of illness or clinical findings within 3 to 7 days. See how the virus spread very fast. Within 3 to 7 days, the animal shows manifestation. Mainly, there are two forms of the manifestations. When there is intestine is invaded, it is a parvoviral enteritis or intestinal form. When heart muscles are invaded, parvoviral myocarditis or cardiac form. So these two forms are very common and very serious also. Both intestinal and cardiac forms are very serious. First, we will see parvoviral enteritis form. Intestinal form is more common than cardiac form. There is simple hemorrhagic gastroenteritis to a very severe hemorrhagic gastroenteritis. The parvovirus occur at any age of the dog, but serious proportions of disease is manifested or occurring in the pups. Initially, there is a slight to high rise of temperature or a fever. Gradually, the fever return to a subnormal level and there is fluctuation of temperature during course of the disease. Inappetence is also observed. We continue here the enteritis form. There is frequent retching. There is vomition and diarrhea. Diarrhea is usually bloody, presence of blood in the feces. The vomition is yellow colored vomitus and frothy. The feces is semi-solid, brownish in color because of blood mixed with mucus. Then it is followed by hemorrhagic diarrhea. Because of this hemorrhagic diarrhea and severe diarrhea, there is dehydration. So there is polydipsia. Animal become more thirsty. Because of dehydration, the animal feel exhausted and there is severe dehydration due to fluid and electrolyte loss. Continue intestinal form. This dehydration leads to peripheral circulatory failure because of the lack of water. There is shock-like condition and this results into the death due to shock. The secondary bacterial infection occur due to weakened immune system. We have already seen that in pathogenesis. The virus is usually more deadly if there is concurrent infection with intestinal parasites. The other form is pyrovirus myocarditis or cardiac form. Here there is invasion of myocardium leads to myocarditis. Comparatively, intestinal form is more common and cardiac form is less common. The affected puppies, they are getting infection from the uterus, or they get the infection shortly after birth, under about the age of 8 weeks of age. So these puppies get infection under 8 weeks of age. The virus attack the heart muscles. There is a great damage to the heart muscle, and heart is very important organ. Continue here the clinical findings of the cardiac form. Because there is damage to the heart muscle, there are signs of circulatory failure, and prominent is pulmonary edema, accumulation of fluid in the pulmonary or lungs parenchyma. There is great respiratory distress and death due to cardiogenic shock. The death in dogs at 4 to 8 weeks of age is very common. Those dogs which survive show chronic myocardial complications and circulatory complications. Friends, you have observed the symptoms of very important disease parvovirus. Share this information to our friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.